This is a Dom 333RN or 333RN. I got this off of eBay new. I think they shipped it from, oh no, I think it came from the United States. But I seen it. It wasn't a bad price. It was like $30, and they shipped it. It came fast. So once I figured out how to get the pins to bind, it didn't take me forever. But this is still one of those you're gonna have to bear with me, Lux. What I'm doing right now is I'm just sliding my pick in all the way to the back, just kind of pushing the pins up as high as the pick will get them to go, and then I'm gonna come back. All right, try that one more time. Slide under. Hit number 1. I believe that was number, yep, there was 4 and then 5. And now I got it in a really deep falset. And from this falset, number 4 is set super high. So I'm going to go in 1, 2, 3, find number 4. Alright. I don't know if I got that set or not. No, it doesn't feel like it. I didn't lose the falset though, so. Did lose the falset on that one. I don't know if I overset something or just dropped something. 1, 2, 3. Put a little bit off. Back to the back. 2. Alright. Raise the pins again. One's not high enough. There we go. I just had to get one up a little bit more. That's number 4. Alright, try this again. 1, 2, 3. Find number 4. One, 2, 3. Back in, find number 4. check these. 1, 2, 3. A little bit of vertical setback. All right, there we go. We're open. So yeah, I'll show you the keys if I can find them. It's a Yale key. So what I was working with is 1's kind of high, 2 and 3 are low, but you see how much higher 4 is? So I kept on not setting 4 high enough, or I was dropping things when I was trying to get 4 up. But that is the Dom 333 or 333 RN.